Have you ever felt like you're working hard but not really getting anywhere? You sit at your desk, staring at your computer screen, feeling the weight of frustration and confusion. The hours pass by, but it seems like you're stuck in the same place, unable to move forward. It's like you're spinning your wheels but not making progress. You put in the effort, but the results just don't seem to match. It's a disheartening feeling, one that can make you question your path and your purpose. What if I told you that the secret to real success isn't just hard work, but working towards specific goals? Imagine sitting down with a journal, writing out your dreams and aspirations, or standing in front of a whiteboard, mapping out your goals with clear, actionable steps. Goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These are the goals that can guide you, giving you direction and purpose. In the next 10 minutes, we're going to dive deep into the power of specific goals. We'll explore how setting clear, well-defined goals can transform your life. We'll look at real-life examples, hear from experts, and provide you with practical tips to start setting your own goals today. Imagine a dreamy landscape where your goals are no longer just dreams, but realities. Picture yourself celebrating your successes, achieving milestones, and living the life you've always wanted. This is the power of specific goals, and it's within your reach. We'll also discuss the importance of collaboration and support. Achieving your goals often requires the help and encouragement of others. Whether it's a mentor, a coach, or a supportive community, having people who believe in you can make all the difference. There's a unique satisfaction that comes from checking off a goal on your to-do list. It's a tangible reminder of your progress and a motivator to keep going. Each small step forward brings you closer to your ultimate vision. Throughout this journey, we'll share inspirational quotes and motivational insights to keep you inspired and focused. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that step is setting a specific goal. Take a moment to reflect on your own goals. What do you truly want to achieve? What steps can you take today to move closer to your dreams? The power of specific goals lies in their ability to turn your aspirations into actionable plans. So, join us as we explore the transformative power of specific goals. Together, we'll unlock the potential within you and set you on a path to success. Let's get started on this exciting journey. Stay tuned and get ready to be inspired. Your journey to achieving your dreams begins now. Make sure to watch the whole video where we will also share a step-by-step plan. From Michael Jordan to Elon Musk, every successful person shares one thing in common. They set specific goals. Not just vague dreams, but clear, actionable objectives. So what exactly makes specific goals so powerful? First, let's talk about the science behind it. The human brain is a fascinating organ, and understanding how it works can help us achieve our goals more effectively. Scientists have spent years studying the mechanisms of goal setting and motivation, and their findings are truly enlightening. Studies have shown that setting specific goals increases motivation and performance. When we have a clear target in mind, our brain can focus better, and we are more likely to take the necessary steps to achieve it. This is true in various fields, whether it's sports, business, or personal development. For instance, athletes who set specific performance targets tend to train harder and achieve better results. Similarly, teams working towards a well-defined objective are more cohesive and productive. According to Dr. Edwin Locke's goal-setting theory, goals that are clear and challenging lead to higher performance 90% of the time compared to easy or vague goals. Dr. Locke's research has been pivotal in understanding how goal-setting impacts our performance. He found that when goals are specific and challenging, they provide a clear direction and a sense of purpose. This clarity helps individuals and teams to concentrate their efforts and resources more effectively. Moreover, challenging goals push us out of our comfort zones, encouraging growth and development. This theory has been widely adopted in various sectors, from corporate environments to educational settings, proving its versatility and effectiveness. So, the next time you set a goal, remember to make it specific and challenging to maximize your chances of success. But let's break it down with a real-life example. Goals are essential in guiding us towards our desired outcomes, but they need to be clear and actionable to be effective. Imagine you want to get fit. This is a common goal that many people have, but it often remains just a wish because it lacks specificity. Saying, "I want to be healthier" is a great start, but it's too vague. What does being healthier mean to you? Does it mean losing weight, gaining muscle, improving your stamina, or perhaps all of the above? Now, if you say, I want to lose 15 pounds in the next 3 months by going to the gym 4 times a week and following a balanced diet. You're setting a specific goal. This goal is measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, which makes it a SMART goal. Suddenly, you have a target, a timeline, and a plan. This clarity helps you stay focused and motivated. You can track your progress and make adjustments as needed. This transforms a vague idea into a concrete action plan. By breaking down your goal into smaller, manageable steps, you make it easier to achieve. For instance, you might start by scheduling your gym sessions and planning your meals for the week. Consistency is key. Regularly going to the gym and sticking to your diet will gradually lead to the results you want. It's also important to stay hydrated and get enough rest to support your fitness journey. Celebrating small victories along the way can keep you motivated. Share your progress with friends or family, or even on social media. Having a support system can make a big difference. Once you achieve your goal, take time to reflect on your journey. What worked well? What challenges did you overcome? Use these insights to set new goals and continue your path to self-improvement. Remember, setting specific, actionable goals is a powerful tool for personal growth. It helps you turn your aspirations into reality and empowers you to achieve more than you ever thought possible. So take that first step today. Define your goals clearly, make a plan, and start working towards them. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish.
I feel nauseous, believe me.
Specific goals don't just give you a target to aim for, they also keep you accountable. When you know exactly what you're working towards, it's easier to stay motivated and measure your progress. Now it's your turn. Think about a goal you've been dreaming about. How can you make it more specific? Ask yourself, what exactly do I want to achieve? How will I know when I've achieved it? What steps do I need to take to get there? Write it down and make it as detailed as possible. This simple shift can make a world of difference.
Setting a specific goal to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house within a year completely changed my spending habits and kept me focused.
I wanted to run a marathon, so I set a goal to train 5 times a week and gradually increase my distance. Crossing that finish line was an incredible feeling.
Specific goals have the power to transform your life. They turn dreams into plans and plans into achievements. So don't just dream big, dream specifically. Set clear, actionable goals, and watch as you start to turn your aspirations into reality. Now that we've explored the power and science behind setting specific goals, let's dive into a step-by-step guide to help you set your own. Step 1. Define your goal clearly. Be as specific as possible. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, say, I want to run a 5K marathon in 6 months. Step 2. Break it down into smaller, manageable tasks. For our 5K example, plan weekly training sessions, adjust your diet, and incorporate cross-training. Step 3. Set deadlines for each task. Assign a timeline to each smaller task to ensure steady progress. For instance, aim to run 1K comfortably by the end of the first month. Step 4. Monitor your progress regularly. Keep a journal or use an app to track your milestones and setbacks. Adjust your plan as needed based on your progress. Step 5. Adjust your plan as needed. Life happens, and sometimes adjustments are necessary. Don't be afraid to reassess and realign your tasks and deadlines. Step 6. Celebrate your achievements. Reward yourself for milestones reached. This will keep you motivated and focused on your ultimate goal. Remember, setting specific goals is a powerful tool that can transform your dreams into reality. Start now and watch your success unfold. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to reinforce the importance of setting specific goals with some additional facts. Fact 1. Studies show that specific goals significantly increase motivation and performance. When you have a clear target, your efforts become more focused and effective. Fact 2. Specific goals provide a clear direction and purpose. Knowing exactly what you want to achieve helps you stay on track and avoid getting sidetracked by less important tasks. Fact 3. They help in measuring progress and success. With specific goals, you can easily track your advancements and identify areas where you need improvement. Fact 4. Specific goals reduce procrastination and distractions. When your goals are clear, it's easier to prioritize your tasks and stay committed to your plan. Remember, the more specific your goals, the better your chances of achieving them. So, take the time to define your goals clearly and set yourself up for success. With these additional insights, you're now even more prepared to harness the power of specific goals. Let's move forward and turn your aspirations into achievements. Now, let's dive into some more real-life examples to see how setting specific goals can lead to remarkable success. These stories will not only inspire you but also provide practical insights into how you can apply these principles in your own life. Example 1. Meet Jane, a college student who was struggling with her grades. Jane decided to set specific study goals, such as dedicating 2 hours each day to review her notes and completing at least one practice test per week. By breaking down her academic goals into manageable tasks, she saw a significant improvement in her performance, ultimately graduating with honors. Example 2. Mark, an entrepreneur who wanted to grow his small business. Mark set specific financial targets like increasing monthly revenue by 20% and expanding his customer base by 50% within the year. By focusing on these clear objectives, he was able to implement effective marketing strategies, streamline operations, and ultimately, double his business's revenue. Example 3. Let's look at Sarah, an athlete aiming to improve her performance. Sarah set specific training goals such as running 5 miles every morning and improving her sprint time by 1 second each month. These clear, measurable goals helped her stay motivated and focused, leading to her winning several local competitions and even qualifying for national events. These success stories show the transformative power of specific goals. Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or an athlete, setting clear and precise goals can help you turn your aspirations into reality. So take inspiration from these examples and start setting your own specific goals today. Now, let's hear from more real people who have experienced the transformative power of setting specific goals.
Setting specific goals helped me stay focused and achieve my dreams. I always knew what I was working towards, and that kept me motivated every single day.
I was able to track my progress and stay motivated. Seeing the small wins added up over time made a huge difference in reaching my bigger goals.
Specific goals made a huge difference in my personal and professional life. They gave me a clear direction and a sense of purpose, which was instrumental in achieving success.
These testimonials highlight the real, tangible benefits of setting specific goals. Whether it's staying focused, tracking progress, or finding a sense of purpose, specific goals can lead to significant improvements in various aspects of life. Take these stories to heart and consider how setting specific goals can bring about positive changes in your own journey. As we've explored, setting specific goals can dramatically transform your life. From staying focused and motivated to tracking progress and achieving your dreams, the power of specific goals is undeniable. Now it's your turn. I encourage you to start setting your own specific goals today. Whether it's a personal milestone or a professional aspiration, having a clear target can make all the difference. We'd love to hear from you. Share your success stories in the comments and let us know how setting specific goals has impacted your life. Your story could inspire others to take that crucial step towards their own journey. Remember, every big achievement starts with a specific goal. So, what are you waiting for? Start setting your goals today and embark on a journey towards a better, more fulfilling life.